Iskandal simphathisa ama-palpitation. I'm at the point where now I'm panicking ukuthi what's going to happen next. But yonke into enomthunzi ngaphakathi, we just know it has to go down. So Mthunzi made uBabsemeti believe ukuthi he is this kind and good person. In fact, he's the best son he has ever had, and he's trying to look out for him, but at the same time wena owenza izinto zibe wrong. Now uNhloso decided to go and see Ntate More just to explain what is happening, what has been going on, and how all of this has been orchestrated. And now Ntate More decided that he was going to speak to Semiti. After doing that, boy oh boy, I said, did it not go down? Did Mthunzi not get fired? Lalela Mthunzi why am I saying Mthunzi? Untloso got fired and Mthunzi was excited. And I'm just sitting and thinking, how? Was it not really Mthunzi that came back and asking for indawo yokufihla ikhanda? The next thing manje sekajabula manje uNhloso exoshiwe, and out of into is I don't know why I'm getting emotional about that. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Scandal. Sanibonani abusheni molweni minjani? Hipukile hingongwina. So namuhla ka nona kwa hina wa Scandal hikuma ku ri swilo swi tshamisekangi kahle, looking at the fact that it looks like abantwana baka hot sauce, they're in good hands, but not really in good hands, because now tradition is trying to be enforced onto them, and uThlo, he is now forced ukuthi athathe izinto because she was told gore utla ha bana ba medisa, and then she's just not about that life, and ngathi sebazomforce. On the other hand, again, Mthunzi is working after hours to make sure that his plan gets to where he wants it to be, because it looks like he wants to take over, but the taking over is a problem. Now, Untloso decided that he was going to go and speak to, well, the friend who did not even listen, because Utapelo is not interested in whatever that Untloso is going to say, because he feels like low. On the other hand, again, Babsemeti feels ukuthi Mthunzi is the best person. In fact, he's taking good care of him. Guys, ndiphethe ama-palpitation. I'm not okay and quite right. And my problem is that with Scandal, this storyline is going to drag forever. Well, on the other hand, we then realize ukuthi umntana sekahambile ayosebenza le khabodinhle. When she got there, Ukayinjul was there and she introduced herself nicely, but the attitude was on another level. I don't see them working together nicely, but well, the writer can just change the storyline and said, sebayathandana manje, and then it was just that thing ukuthi why did I even do this? Oh,